You must tell us about any changes in your circumstances that could affect your housing benefit and council tax support award. You must tell us straight away in writing. What we mean by a change in circumstances is a change in where you live, who lives with you, and any changes of the finances of you and everyone who lives with you. Some common examples of changes in circumstances are if you change address, someone moving in or out, if you start work, or your wages change. A change in any benefits you receive or changes to the amount of rent you have to pay. Examples of changes to tell us about: changes to your rent or tenancy, any changes to your income, if you change address, someone moving in or out of the property, any changes to savings and investments. You need to tell us about a change because we want to make sure we are paying you the right amount of housing benefit and council tax support. If you don't tell us about changes in your circumstance straight away, we may not be paying you the right amount. If you delay telling us, we may pay you too little and you could lose out. We may pay you too much and you'll have to pay it back. You may be committing fraud and you could face criminal charges. You must tell us about a change as soon as possible. If you delay, you could lose out. You must tell us about a change in writing and we will need to see proof of the change. Although you may not be able to supply proof immediately, please don't delay in telling us about the change. The proof you need to give us depends on the changes you are reporting. If you move house, you will need to fill in a change of address form. If you will be renting, you need to send us a copy of your new tenancy agreement. If something else has changed, you need to fill in a change of circumstances form and provide proof of the change. For example, if you have started work or your wages have changed, we need to see your new wage slips. If there is a delay in getting your new wage slips, please ask your employer to complete a certificate of earnings form. You can find this on our website. When filling out any of our forms, please remember to answer every question and to sign the form. Some changes are difficult to prove. For example, periods where you have no income while other benefits are being changed, or the date that someone moved in or out of your home. In these cases, you need to confirm the details in writing. For example, how you are paying for food and bills while you have no income. Tips to help us deal with your change quickly. Tell us about your change straight away. Provide proof of the change at the same time if you can. If you aren't sure if you need to tell us about a change, or if you are in any doubt, please tell us anyway, and we can advise you what is needed.